I'm Alison Williams. My PhD is on the effect, both direct and indirect, of physical space on how people are creative, specifically in a work context. I'm looking at small c creativity rather than big C special talent creativity, because I feel strongly that people in a work context have much less control over their physical environment than do people who are working in big C creativity, artists, composers and so forth. I'm particularly looking at the way that there's an interaction between the physical space, the way that physical space is managed, the way that people act within the physical space, so what they bring into it in terms of their own skills, their own attributes, their background, their personality, their traits. The affordances that there are within the physical space for creativity. So is there everything that they need in order to be maximally creative? Because everyone has their own particular ways of being creative. What will inspire and enthuse somebody, will trigger their creativity for one person, may be absolute anathema to another person. So I'm looking as well at the creative footprint of each individual person. What I'm working towards is developing a very clear syntax of creativity, all the different elements that go to make it up. So in summary, I'll be looking at the independent variables. What are the affordances within the space that allow people to be maximally creative? How is that space managed? What do people bring into that space? And how do these three elements crucially interact with each other to allow people to perceive those affordances, to use them, and thus to come up with their own specific creative output